silver mist upon the shore, healing tides at spirit's door, deep within the salt and spray. Worries wash and drift away. Ocean, heart, and mind as one, underneath the pale moon sun, flowing through the ancient deep, promises of peace we keep, breathing with the rising tide, nowhere for the soul to hide. Sacred water is clear and cold, turning iron into gold. Ocean, heart, and mind as one, underneath the pale moon sun, flowing through the ancient deep, promises of peace we keep.